Hello everyone, mabuhay. Habirism Tubuka is here again on the wheel. Today we are trying to go and drive through the Kuala Lumpur International Airport number 2, Klia2, since we've never been there for more or less 2 years plus now. It's just because of the pandemic. This is only a drive-through, and let's see how does it look like right now. And we are actually just passed by the Mitsui shopping mall. Now I'm trying to recall some of these petrol stations here. You know, it used to be a very long queue waiting cars on this stretch. So okay, now time check is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the 3rd of February 2022. It's just that I just wanted to go around and show you. It's a very nice day today. Clouds are forming up there. So as you can see, the signboard, the first exit will be Terminal Klia2. Where if you're going straight is the main Klia airport, international airport. So now we are trying to go to the left, and I just wanted to make it sure that I'm going in the right direction.
Lane departure.
Because it's usually it's so confusing sometimes. So there you go, there's a signboard at Klia2. We're just trying to slow down and have a look on the signboard, just to make sure that we are on the right path. And we are trying to go to the departure area, which is here at the middle lane. Where I'm trying to maintain my speed right now at 60 maybe. So there you go. This is the Klia2. I'm just maintaining my speed, and I'm going to the departure area, which is right here. And there you go. I can see just a few aircraft, AirAsia aircraft, and see that. Like I said, he missed a turn as well. He's probably going to the arrival. So this is it. You can see these people are having their taking their pictures, how free it is. So this is the terminal at the departure area. Police are manning the situation here. Still pretty much empty. This is usually a very congested airport before the pandemic, and it's good that it's already been started flying out again, and it will be good for everybody. That is a very quick run through here. I'm probably confusing myself now. I'm not so sure where I'm going, and it's luckily that there's no cars, you know, just few cars. And now we are exiting the terminal. and that is the AirAsia headquarters in there, the left hand side. There you go. Still pretty much empty. That is Klia2, and it seems like I'm a bit tempted to go and drive through Klia1, which is now you can see the tower at the front. Nice weather. Blue sky mixed up with the white clouds. The greens at left and right. Again, this is used to be a very busy road where we are driving right now. So let's continue, go further, and I will be making the U-turn and go to the Klia1 right now. So let's go.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and
so I'll be taking this ramp, a U-turn ramp, to the Klia terminal. You can see that. Again, it's been 2 years plus that we've never been here into this area, just because of the pandemic. So here we are. Again, we are aboard here in my Xiaomi camera installed in the car, which is I'm happy of it because it's given me the quality of image or video that I wanted, which is a 4K output. As you can see on some of the vids that we had, it's really clear. Again, this is a disclaimer that I will not be promoting this brand, but it satisfies my my needs for the car and for safety and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so now we are continuing going towards Klia, which is signboard up there. I'm just trying to remember how it looks like right now. We used to drive pass through this car, and then we're going towards the drive through the departure area, and hopefully I can remember the signboard. And it looks like here it's very dry. We are trying to maintain the lane that we have. We're going towards the terminal. I remember that we are just going to up on this exit, going towards the parking. But now I'm going to the terminal. We are maintaining our speed to be 80 kilometers per hour. Sometimes it deviates a little bit on the speedometer of a car and the camera. So again, we are here at the lane towards the departure area. I just wanted to make it sure that I'm on the right track. Departure. Yeah, it looks like we are okay. Slowly but surely at the departure area. So guys, imagine again, this is a very, very busy road or airport before, and as you can see, there is a very nice structure with the blending with the cloud up there. It's forming with the clouds, black clouds now. So guys, here we go. It's more busier than the domestic, I mean the Klia2. I'm trying to maintain in the middle, and I show you the terminal structure. Again, some of these people are just walking like there's nothing, no one. So we are trying to slow down just to make sure that we are not obstructing things as well. So guys, here we are driving through. It's a very nice structure. Everyone's are taking pictures on the roadside. So there we go, guys. It's very clear. We can actually count the cars that's coming through here. So now we're exiting. We're going towards Putrajaya and Kuala Lumpur. And we will be joining up or ending our recording just after the U-turn that we had earlier when we came from the Klia2. And there you go, you can see the tower for Klia2 at the front. Very nice clouds forming up here.
Lane departure.
So at least we visit the airport right now, and
Lane
yeah,
departure.
hopefully that it will be picking up next or very very soon for some of us who wanted to go out from the country for the vacation, or I mean it's at least on domestic traveling vacations within the country. So we are looking forward into that to happen. I mean it's already happening, so but it's not that so fully operational because of the quarantine issues, I believe. So we have to be very careful. We have to be very patient, I should say. So guys, this is all again for this quick drive-through to Klia and Klia2. Alright, please don't forget to subscribe and share the videos, and let's have more fun and talking with each other, especially for all our friends out there. Don't forget to come in my live coverage to help some of our friends out there who are growing up into their YouTube channels. So this is all again for now. Take care everybody, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step.